Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services hanggang September 30. So kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang ang reading na to ay general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. What's the energy for Pisces? October 2025 Pisces. Okay, overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Nice. Okay, bottom of the deck, the 7 of Wands. Maaring ngayong October, you have to protect your energies, no? May mga taong hindi sasang-ayon sa mga gusto mong gawin or sa opinion mo. So, stand your ground, kumbaga. Don't worry kasi someone naman is with you, no? Meron ka ring kakampi. Yun nga lang, meron mga tao na itatry ka na yung bang itatry nila na inisin ka. So, wag mong hayaang mainis ka. Maaring online, with the Page of Swords, may mga, alam mo na, kung ikaw ay nasa social media, content creator, social media influencer, mas malawak yung yung chance, or mas malaki yung chance na merong mga bashers, merong mga negative opinions about you. Siyempre, huwag kang magpa-apekto. Huwag mo silang hayaan na magulo ang iyong diskarte sa buhay. You have the Page of Cups, the Moon, Ace of Wands. Oh, very creative rin yung energy ninyo, Pisces, ngayong October. I feel like you are going to start something exciting, be it sa career mo, sa business mo, ano man yung sources of income mo. Kasi tinan mo, there are energies, the 9 of Pentacles. This is financial stability, financial independence. 7th house of partnership. Oh, maaring merong business partnership, pwedeng partner mo sa, yun nga, sa negosyo, pwede namang kilala mo to, like, malapit sa'yo, romantic partner, family member, na magkakaroon kayo ng venture together. Ayan. And then the Chariot, this is success. Oo. Finally, you will experience success in your decisions. Mag-a-align siya sa mga pangarap mo. The Star is about healing and also your hopes and dreams, no? Yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. You have Ace of Swords, Eureka moment, meron kang mga ideas na magbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration, lalo na kung ito ay matagal mo nang naiisip, tapos ngayon mo lang siya susubukan. Oo, kasi maaring dati, pinipigilan ka ng iba, sinasabi na hindi mo yun kaya, so wag mo na lang gawin kasi hindi mo kaya. Now, like what I mentioned kanina, your overall energy is the 9 of Pentacles. Pagdating sa iyong kaperahan sa resources mo, you're someone na kaya mong mag-provide para sa sarili mo. More than enough para rin makatulong ka sa iba. Andun na yung sense of pagiging settled and established, no? Yung iba sa inyo. You have the Sun. This can be your challenge pagdating sa inyong confidence, no? So maaring may mga sinesecond guess nyo yung sarili nyo na baka hindi ko kaya to, or may mga times na madali ka ma-impluwensyahan ng opinion ng iba. So, wag mong hayaan na maimpluwensyahan ka nila. Dahil you know what you want, mas kilala mo dapat yung sarili mo. And with the Tower, this is your opportunity. Meron kang, meron kang i-let go, i-release, na meron kang gigibain, no? Na anything that is no longer serving you. Na alam mo, na kapag ginawa mo yan, ni-let go mo, ni-release mo, mas magkakaroon ka ng freedom. Freedom na magawa yung gusto mo, na kumbaga unapologetic, ganon. Now your blessing is the Four of Cups. As a blessing, meron kang makikita na importanteng bagay sa buhay mo na hindi mo pinapansin sa una, pero yun pala yung magbibigay sa iyo ng success. Four of Cups kasi, this is about discontentment, yung parang hindi ka na masaya sa situation mo, but actually there is an offer sa'yo or like an opportunity na ino-offer sa yung universe ngayon na finally mapapansin mo na. And you will do something about it. Gagawan mo na siya ng action. Let's see sa inyong money, career, finances for Pisces. October. You have the Four of Swords. This is about taking a rest. So, maaring magte-take ka ng leave sa trabaho, sa business mo, para makapagpahinga, to recuperate. Also have the Emperor. So, this is you leading your life. Kumbaga, ikaw yung leader ng iyong career, ng business mo. And some of you nasa business side, no? Maaring yun yung interest ninyo na dun kayo mas nag-e-enjoy. At ngayon, mas pagpaplanuhan nyo kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng grand comeback. Oo. Kasi pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nag-lay low muna, tapos kumbaga sinigurado mo sa sarili mo ano ba talaga yung gusto mo para sa career, trabaho mo or business mo. And then ngayon, bumabalik ka with a stronger plan and goals and objectives. You need to balance your career and personal life. Ayan. Kailangan daw may oras ka sa sarili mo, sa ibang bagay. Hindi lang puro trabaho. Some of you are going to express yourself through design and art. Meron kayong talent sa design, sa art. Very creative kayo. And yung creative side ninyo, yan yung magdadala ng success sa inyong career, sa inyong finances, sources of income, sa business. Sa love life naman. Oh, wow. Success. Yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa love life, maganda yung takbo ng relationship ninyo. Some of you, maaring may mga major decisions kayo sa relationship. Pwedeng kayo mag-aasawa na. Magsisettle down. Some of you may travel opportunities with your partner, with your person. Kung single ka naman, I see you na marami kang admirers. Oo. Marami kang admirers. Maaring ikaw ay napapanood ng mas maraming tao, no? Nasa social media ka, public yung life mo, no? O, diba? Adore o ina-admire. Marami nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Divine masculine. Oh. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are with someone na talagang, yung bang may paninindigan pagdating sa relationship. Oo. And if you're single, yun nga, maaring merong attraction dito with someone na medyo very strong yung kanyang personality. So, maaring ikaw ay may involved sa isang tao na strong ang personality. Let's see what else. Pisces. Trust your tiwala yan sa sarili mo, no? 'Di ba? Kanina nabanggit ko, maaring challenge nyo yung confidence, no? So you have to trust yourself, trust your instincts, your intuition, o may relaxation. Nabanggit ka rin kanina na pagdating sa work, maaring ikaw ay magli-leave muna, magbabakasyon, or magpapahinga. Kasi napagod ka. Yan. Some of you, meron kayong healing energy, like you are a healer in different ways and forms. Kasi 'di ba, halimbawa maganda yung boses mo, no? You can sing. And yung boses mo na yan, it heals people. Or maaring you are a spiritual practitioner. You are spiritual healer. Pwedeng yan rin yung career path mo or yung decision making na gagawin mo ngayong October if magiging full-time ka na healer, spiritual healer. Pwede ring sa medical field ka. Oh, yeah, business. This is Jupiter in Aries in the first house. Enterprising energy. You have Saturn in Cancer in the fourth house. Fourth house is about family. Your home life, family life. I feel like meron kang blessing na marireceive related sa family. Like, pwedeng hindi directly sa'yo, pwedeng family member will bring blessing sa buhay ninyo, success sa buhay ninyo. Maaring yung hinihintay nyo na good things to happen, like mga rewards ng inyong mga pinaghirapan, sacrifices, efforts ninyo. Darating yan ngayong October. Justice is coming. This is karma. Siyempre, kung ano man ang inyong itinanim, yun din ang aanihin ninyo. So, kung meron ding tao na merong nagawang pagkakamali sa inyo, so, marireceive na nila yung dinideserve nila, and you will receive the justice na dinideserve mo. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.